Have you ever wondered how your car knows the outside temperature? Or why your air conditioning seems to adjust automatically on hot or cold days? The answer is a small but important component called the ambient temperature sensor. In this video, I'll explain exactly how it works with your car's ECU and why it matters. The ambient temperature sensor is usually mounted behind the front grille or front bumper, where it can accurately measure the outside air temperature without being affected by engine heat. Inside the sensor is a thermistor, which changes its electrical resistance depending on the outside temperature. When the air gets colder, the resistance increases. As the air gets warmer, the resistance decreases. The engine control unit, or ECU, sends a small reference voltage, typically 5 volts, to the sensor. As the resistance changes, the return voltage changes as well. The ECU constantly monitors this signal and converts it into an actual temperature reading. The ECU then shares this information with other vehicle modules. The climate control system uses it to determine how much heating or cooling is needed. Vehicles with automatic climate control rely heavily on this sensor to maintain the cabin temperature you've selected. Some vehicles also use the ambient temperature sensor to improve engine management. During cold weather, the ECU may adjust fuel delivery, idle speed, and emission strategies to improve performance and reduce pollution. It can even prevent the air conditioner compressor from operating when outside temperatures are near freezing, protecting the system from damage. If the sensor fails or sends incorrect readings, you may notice inaccurate temperature displays, poor automatic climate control performance, or diagnostic trouble codes. Now you know how a tiny ambient temperature sensor plays a big role in keeping your vehicle comfortable and running efficiently. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more easy-to-understand automotive repair videos, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.